If you've lost access to your phone number linked to Yahoo Mail, you can still try to sign in using another or other recovery options such as recovery email or security questions. So go ahead, open yahoo.com, or you can also go to login.yahoo.com. Then tap on the mail icon in the top right, or tap on sign in the top right. Go ahead, enter your email address of Yahoo in this box. When Yahoo asks to send a code to your phone, you can tap on try signing in another way in the bottom that is highlighted in purple color, and then choose an available recovery method such as recovery email or security questions, which is for older accounts, and then follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, you can reset your password and access your account. And if you do not have access to any of this, you can follow the Yahoo's instruction, and you may need to fill account recovery form and contact the Yahoo support for help. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.